The all-new 9th generation Hilux breaks fresh ground in technology and design while retaining the exceptional performance capabilities. Hilux 2.8 Hybrid 48 volts adopts a double-cab body style, featuring Toyota's diesel mild hybrid powertrain and four-wheel drive system. Diesel mild hybrid provides quieter and smoother acceleration and stop-start performance. Maximum power remains 204 horsepower, or 150 kilowatts, with 500 Newton-meters of torque, between 1,600 and 2,800 revolutions per minute. Hilux also retains its impressive load-carrying capability, payload in excess of 1,000 kilograms and 3,500 kilograms towing capacity, and exceptional off-road strength. Off-road performance, supported by availability of new multi-terrain select system and multi-terrain monitor systems. The compact electric motor generator is driven by the engine and charges the hybrid battery. Its benefits include a regenerative braking function recovering energy when the driver comes off the accelerator pedal. Combined with engine braking, this saves fuel, makes driving easier, and gives natural-feeling deceleration. The hybrid components were designed for simple integration and are located so they do not affect Hilux's off-road performance. For example, the motor generator is positioned high on the engine, so a 700 mm weighting capability is maintained. The introduction of electric power steering provides faithful response, easier maneuvering on and off-road, and less risk of kickback when driving over rough surfaces. It is tuned for light steering feel for agile maneuvering at low speeds, with increased weighting for stable and less fatiguing performance at high speeds. To maintain the highest crash safety standards, the Hilux's frame has been developed to provide an even higher level of energy absorption and deformation in the event of an impact, taking the increase in the vehicle's weight into account. The thickness of the side rails has been increased, and the front crossmembers have been adjusted to accommodate the new EPS system and front differential installation. With the increase in front axle load, the suspension towers have an additional fitting point and a thicker body. The all-new Hilux retains its suspension setup from the previous generation, with independent front suspension front double wishbones, front McPherson struts, and a rigid rear axle with leaf springs. Adjustments have been made to maintain strength and durability with the increased axle load, including revised shock absorber damping force and tuning of the leaf springs to reduce the transmission of shock to the body. At the front, details include new spring rates, increased anti-roll bar rigidity, reshaped lower arms, and a new compound has been for the bushes. Exceptional, reliable off-road performance is a defining characteristic of the Hilux brand, and the 9th generation model is true to that heritage. Its ability to tackle the toughest conditions is supported by a 309 mm ground clearance and 500 mm of wheel articulation. When navigating slopes, the approach angle is 29 degrees and the departure angle 24 degrees. Not only can Hilux wade through water 700 mm deep, it can also be kept stationary in those conditions for up to 10 minutes. The design of the all-new Hilux, both inside and out, marks a step up from the previous generation, giving the model new proportions and an unmistakable identity. Working to a ToughX agile design concept, Toyota has produced a bold and commanding look that expresses both the model's rugged performance heritage and more dynamic, contemporary appeal. The frontal treatment makes an immediate impact with slim new headlight units linked by a central bar bearing the Toyota name in classic style. Below, the grille has a distinctive, modern look with a wide hexagonal mesh pattern, finished in the vehicle's body color to create a fully integrated impression. Strong angular detailing can also be seen in the fog lamp bezels, the arching of the upper bumper, the wheel arch trims, the side step tread surface, and the alloy wheel designs. The design takes convenience and the needs of both professional and private users into account as well, including new rear side steps, wider side steps, and a revised rear step for easier access to the load area. The hybrid 48 volts lineup comprises 4 equipment grades: entry, mid, high, and the range-topping Invincible. The new alloy wheel designs are 17-inch rims finished in matte black for mid-grade, 18-inch with diamond-cut sections over gloss-back spokes for high-grade, and 18-inch black 7-spoke wheels for the Invincible. These are styled for aerodynamic efficiency and are lightweight, saving about 1 kilogram per wheel compared to the previous designs. New tire patterns have also been introduced that give quieter performance. To give Hilux more individuality, the hybrid 48 volts is available with 8 exterior color options, including new Suulphur Metallic, the signature finish for the top-of-the-range Invincible model, and Storm Gray. The double cab interior is completely new and follows the same ToughX Agile design principle as the exterior. In the most significant upgrade in Hilux's history, sensory quality has been taken to a higher level. The overall look and feel of the space are influenced by the new Land Cruiser. Measures to raise the level of onboard comfort include a new padding material and a thicker upholstery covering for the front seat cushions. The 8-way power adjustable seats on higher-grade models have a longer cushion section and feature new padding with superior pressure distribution quality. A new headrest design provides enhanced protection against whiplash injury in the event of a rear-end collision. The central feature is a slim and lightweight new instrument panel, finished in a premium on higher-grade models, hard-wearing synthetic leather with single-stitch detailing. It houses a larger, high-definition 12.3-inch Toyota Smart Connect multimedia display, positioned immediately above the air conditioning control panel. The entry-grade model features a 9-inch Toyota Touch 3 display. The driver enjoys an improved forward view with a lower meter hood above a digital combimeter, 12.3 or 7-inch according to equipment grade, offering greater functionality and versatility compared to the previous 4.2-inch MUDI information display. The new 12.3-inch combimeter can be customized to suit driver preference with casual, smart, tough, or sporty design themes and 3 layouts with 1, 2, or 3 dials. Smart, tough, and sporty options are available with the 7-inch version. Easy smartphone integration is enabled on all Hilux versions with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and a wireless charger is provided on higher grades. The instrument panel houses both a locking glove box and an upper-cooled box, large enough to hold 2 600 milliliters drink bottles. There are also new design cup holders on the left and right side, with a fully flat lid that opens with a simple push-rotate action and can safely hold a drinks bottle or medium-sized coffee cup. A 4-wheel drive control area beneath the air conditioning panel groups all the 4-wheel drive system switches together for quick, clear operation when driving off-road. 2 USB-C ports are provided in the center console for device charging and connection. On higher-grade models, there is a front wireless smartphone charger and 2 further USB ports for rear seat passengers. Toyota has refined the design of the steering wheel with a focus on providing the most comfortable grip and control, introducing thinner spokes and heating that extends around the entire circumference. Reflecting the ToughX Agile design theme, the center boss has a new bezel and prominent Toyota emblem. The steering wheel switches have also been redesigned and grouped for intuitive use, infotainment functions to the left, driving assistance features to the right, and audio controls to the bottom.